Okay.
Yeah.
Where is the envelope I gave you?
So
let them bring it.
The issue is that if you go to the Blekusu, the phase 2 that is currently ongoing, if this place is not protected, the sea will come and hit us from behind. You know, because first it goes here, it goes behind Anglo, Keta, and affects other communities, and then hits Blekusu from the lagoon side. Even though we are blocking the coastal belt, you know, so that is
okay. So this place is actually a matter of beach replenishment, not necessarily sea defense.
Yeah.
But there are three things that
yeah.
Beach nourishment and the sea wall and then points. All this put together is what will become the sea defense itself. So it's sand, boulders, and plants. That is what can to do. And the idea is that once the sea defense is done, this is an unnatural course. So we need to pump all the water from here.
Okay, I see what you mean.
Back to its natural course.
It said that the geographical focus of this project is the Kolei Lagoon outfall Densu Delta Glefe area and the water delta coast comprising Ketuketa and Angoga.
Three districts.
They say, however, due to some developments at the Kolei and Densu area earmarked for the project, at the last World Bank at the last session agreed that the project should be refocused on the lower Volta Basin areas, K2, Keta and Angoga.
Yes.
Okay.
When we came here,
yeah.
it was very, you know, chaotic here.
Yeah.
See the sea water flowing.
I saw the video.
So that is our dam. Where we have the island over there, very sad.
That's an
And then after you know, we have the restaurant.
okay. Okay. Okay.
More than when the dance right.
Yeah.
So
okay.
Eventually, you will not see any.
Okay. So come, Waka, come. And so what are you supposed to do? What's the? I mean, you finished the feasibility. Okay.
And so the recommendations for the feasibility is that we will have to do the sea defense, which comprises the boulders that will be fixed, and then groins in order to be able to break the waves.
Yeah, the current.
So we are looking at constructing 10 groins within a 14-kilometer distance from here up downwards towards Bekusu number 2. So once the groins are done, the boulders will be placed, sand will be put on top, other boulders placed on top, then sand, and then you put subsoil so that you can put vegetation on top, and then plant trees.
Okay.
Then when you do that, you then do the beach nourishment. You have to pump back this fresh water back into the original estuary, because this is not the original estuary.
Okay.
And then fill here with sand,
and
put vegetation and allow mangroves to grow and return it to a wetland, so that it becomes its natural habitat.
Okay.
Yes. So that. But
I noticed also that some of the people have made a business cutting the mangroves for firewood.
Yes.
When I was coming, I saw them busy cutting the mangroves.
Yes.
And they don't realize that the mangroves are part of what is protecting them from the water.
So we've spoken with the Forestry Commission. We would have a space where we'll have a mangrove woodlot that allows them to cut, because they really need it. They have told us that they can't do without it. And then allow the area where they don't have to touch. And then we give them clean cook stoves where they will use very little of the mangrove and still get higher results. So that they don't need to cut too much.
Is that all in the Waka project?
It's all in the Waka project. That's part of the Waka project.
This Waka is Jesus' next miracle. What's the total value of the worker?
As the loan is 50 million and a grant of 5 million, so 155 million.
50 million.
$1.5 million. $150 million and then 5 million grant.
Okay, all right.
So 155.
So that should be enough to do this
for the 15 kilometer that we have earmarked. Okay. Other things. Yeah, with all part of yes. But for the 14 kilometer, yes, about 9 million as we said out of the 155 for the studies and the other things that we have done.
So the community reps are here.
Yeah.
So we'll go there, the MP would welcome us. And then the reps of the chiefs also.
This MP?
Yes,
okay.
Then the minister would.
The wind is blowing up all the roofs on your school, so.
I just saw it.
Yes. So you have to get your
they build it
chief executive.
Holding the roof and the blocks.
Yeah.
Just we have no storage there.
Yeah.
Yes, the wood is there, but usually you have to hold it.
You have to anchor it to into the cement.
So when the wind comes, then after Minister for Environment will also let workers.
Okay, and there we go. No, don't worry.
Yeah. Near is what we are doing now. Where we are. Engineering is where we are. Design engineering. Yes, design. So the defense will include building drawings and then also putting the boulders and then restoring vegetation.
Thank you. Thank you. Akwe Togwe. Mama, F1. Good. Mama, how are you? Okay. Good. Thank you. How are you? Oh, okay. How are you? The light and your consultant. Oh, okay. Yes, that's right. I remember. Yes, that's right. Thank you. You don't have a. Okay.
Togio, Mama. What you must have worked at the city of Colorado. Alabama, Yata. Yeah, Camarade, you are you just sit at the Cola.
They know the reason why you are here.
Let them order Monda to Maziaba Pura to one. You and Yakushia, Amanatoshi. Then you talk about Jane, I told Jana Bioha.
Any of them to tell you exactly what's happening. Welcoming you.
Excellency, these are some of our chiefs and the primates. We are here to welcome you and we appreciate your coming, especially a situation where it is very difficult for city president to come during such situations. But we have seen that you are concerned, even in opposition. You came here twice. So your coming is no surprise to us. We are only pleading that your coming will just give us some blessings, as we know you to do, or you've been doing for other communities. We only have two issues. Helping us to dredge the estuary, and also coming to help us with the worker people to help do whatever they can do to protect the coastline for us. Those are the two major issues. However, let me just present you to greet them on your behalf. Baraku, Jamie Lafama. Ayo, Baraku Sina, Tokyo Plama over, Wonder Hondolo.
Early. Devia.
Akulore, Jature, Koshio, Odoye, Yawe Domlo. Abale, Yajiga for Dupla, and I do as a Mokoya, I just see Togi Plama of Varohako. Nanya Garalasia, Aglenani. So I'm Yajagoma to program. Yajagoma to
oh, what? At this is okay.
Mama.
The boss, the head of the clergy class, the custodian of the class.
Thanking you, the President, for responding to their call promptly. You have ever helped him.
And then there was a time
the boxer.
There was a time Vinyaina Kodaga Yemava Ibrahim Papama President Ekperenchinya. You will call the name and me appreciate it. Ita onyabari enye bakple nye fumato kata ple badu fuma ple klevio fuma miele magbani ita onyabe ne yo mi ezami atoni ita miao ha mi jijimbade ne bia yi tetem ha mi kplogado ne mi akpedanchi. This is it.
Minister.
Yeah, you, Honorable DC, Nancy Cornado, the talk be over Chamiego, Adaba, Mikatamiasi, Ba, Indoya, Miele Miaduma, Koshira, the Kavaya, Miafa DC, this one, Ayom Pata, Ba. Avasia fana yo chafua fudem na yo Alabama gbea awo mafia togbi 3 etolia farmer dodo ika avadada no gona over miagbo madede kechocho regional security council play regional disaster management committee mieva miagbo fia bakpo leke no yi enjoy Miena duklolanya duklolaya enya make cho de lamana duko tafla chikafra egba madafavo ayi over mieva power mianovio kala gavaji pleto ejore oji alaba egba mieje akpododora afuata afima tafla chikafra Efado over ye afenyi so ayi oje dogoma afejo na mado hard over vai dia na mi malafi kamiele gba kaka ona mi enya ba balaba wade akpododo re chafu ato budget mago hawo Alabama do global no di budget ma yo demonstration waga nyata fa ha o ma di budget mo kaka wa ye wofo kaka yi president Mahama Ƒuveme madafo o je gomen la fi ma ka jogbe veto a chafu aga po do fe are la fi Aga ngoto fi. Eva miagbo be ava afa klimi. Tafra chikafra. Afoku aton gbi ejore mi anovi aroji po. Le mefa bato clarifan to me. Ayo vutia. Achidamo. Dukolade no yipova va global oh. Nado di akoda data de na yemava miagbo. Nyamajiba man adonku mi afa verse so jinanio. Dukola ya pleve. Ba yento na va kpo nu ikejo. Mienya ba awekpo. Aga wom. Ye ya ha. Jide poles miashiba aga oganami. Eta mievado.
Mama mama kuku mi esegba.
Dama trafia anaba Duklala. Aha, miava Honorable Minister for Lands and Natural Resources, Honorable Emmanuel Ama Kofi Bua.
Thank you.
Oh yes. Medekuku my I'm very happy to be here with His Excellency the President. All I wanted to say was that the Waka program that is actually making sure that we restore this beach, it sits with the Ministry of Environment, Science and Technology. I want to thank His Excellency because recently there was a lot of restructuring where there was risk of this 150 million, but thanks to His Excellency, he has restored it, and so we are now sure. We finished the feasibility study. We are currently doing the design and construction stage. It will involve a sea defense, grounds will be built, and we'll restore the vegetation here. And so we are really on course. His Excellency has urged us on to make sure that the team focuses and meet all the deadlines, and we'll do so. Thank you. Yes, please.
So agano ikekate wakaga agba plombe 150 million dollars over toshio aka rekoza ako design plan ale no noge aba no move alo tonge ola yo fodoga ato grand arora ato yena na maka afioko yaba yodo amuchioro the oten pepe anyibaba kamakano chishula to yowo akamaha para hubo ta yejiba ya nabia yaba ya yoko sula yajilo akpa
yes so atoko
okay Minister, thank you. Togwio Mamao, thank you for welcoming us this afternoon. We got information about what happened with the sea breaking through, and so today we decided to come and take a look at what is happening. All this area is part of a project area that is called Waka, and it's a World Bank project. We already have done some work ourselves. Earlier when I was president, we did the Akleotoko sea defense, all that area. Before that, Rawlings government had done the Keta sea defense. And then we also did Blekusu 1, and then Blekusu 2 is currently ongoing. The rest of the coast is supposed to be covered by the World Bank $150 million Waka project. And that includes this area all the way to Ketu south and parts of Angloga. And so as the minister told you, there's going to be sea defense, and there are also going to be groins built into the sea to break the current, the strong waves, so that it will come back to the coast in a very gentle manner. There will also be planting of coconut trees on the beaches in order to stabilize the soil. They would also help with planting of mangroves in the estuary to defend the land against the sea's encroachment. The project stalled for a while in 2024, mainly because of the elections. And then when we came, we continued it. And so I'm happy to announce that the feasibility study is finished. They are at the design stage. After the design stage, they will do the procurement. That is the actual construction of the Waka project. And so I'm sure that very soon, we'll try and speed it up. Very soon, you'll see that work will start on your coastal area. We try to repurpose some of the World Bank projects. But as the minister said, we protected the 150 million that is meant for the Waka project. So your money is safe and the project is going to go on. Some of the other World Bank projects stalled and the money is being repurposed for other important priorities. And so I just want to ask for your cooperation as we continue the processes to do the work. But in the meantime, we will contact VRA to see if they can do some dredging in the main estuary so that it eases the pressure on this side. Normally when the estuary is silted, then it looks for ways to join to the sea in other places. That is what is happening exactly here. But if we dredge it, it allows more water to flow out of the volta into the sea. So we'll take immediate measures to try and reduce the effect. But the long-term solution is the World Bank project, which we're about to start. And so let me thank you very much for your patience and your tolerance, and we look forward to your cooperation. Thank you very much.
President Rollins, I would Keta Paji, Afi, Biema Ijila Blekusu, Akpagbando, Aimianu Fonfia, Akpavelia, na Blekusu, Akpododora Chapongwa, Ajiyim, Ka, Ava, Gaika, Hikama Godo, Gajraropa, Ali, Dade, Hana, Akpayawa, Nufiada, Amaweba, Ovachi Magbaviela, Akpada, Yeweba, Ega, Vachi Magbavie, Kabon, Ayi, Miavafia, a mother de Valiva, Wa Aida Doji, Ta Ega Ali, Ega Mabu, Abalaka Minister Glena, Owo Numa Pukuiko Laboawo, Nonoma Tata Kletoyoka, Olaba Donano, Aleo Dogada, a Donchi, a Chaponchi. Ba maga ponse a glenua bla atoma ku ba unsema ikele chafonu na didia amokata fifi owom ikenya design ta ya ada kuku na mi ba mi agboji bla o na jiba fifi la ya ale ikemi awenye ba fia ka chafu akromo odogola ekpaba fima hia alegbe avo neye bo hekwa chafu antono emojim yenaba over the moto afia ta ya afonukla via reto na wa gluma ade kaura plus suba chafu anata po mobobo la fima kwa ka un sei kala un la fia adidi ka Adoi Kamiawo, Crab, Afia, Maga Gloa, Mia Awe, Da Yeda Penami, Miawe, Adoromlo.
No, Akpe.
Da Honorable, Mia Amobiang, Mianga Ida, the Fabu Buha, Akpenami, Agbodo, Miango Sega, Mia.
All right.
Yeah, I think I'm.